Right, so this is for the Binance users. If you want to convert your token or USDT to Naira, this is all you have to do. The first thing you need to do is for you to convert your Hamster token to USDT. Perhaps it's Hamster you want to convert to USDT. You know, Hamster just listed today, so I know a lot of you want to convert your tokens to um Naira, or you want to withdraw it. For those of you who have already sold it, no problem. Then the next thing for you to do is to transfer it to my Binance account. Okay, why do you need to transfer it to my Binance account? If you are a newbie in this crypto space, to avoid issues, okay, or to avoid losing your funds, is important you just give it to a pro to help you sell it and convert your funds, okay, and help you convert your funds and send it to you in your local currency. Okay, so that's why you need to transfer it to me. That's why you need to send it to me. Okay, so I'll be leaving my contact in the description and comment section of this video, so do well to reach out to me, okay, after you must have sold your Hamster tokens or converted it to USDT. So now let's now show you, I want to show you how you can then send it to me on Binance. Okay, you see where we have wallet. All right, so where we have wallet here is where you're going to click on. For those using Bybit, I already did a Bybit video. Okay, I've already done a video on how you can send it to me. For those who used Bybit to receive their tokens, do well to check out that video. I'll be leaving the link in the description and comment of this video. Okay, so when you click on wallet, you see where you have withdraw here. Okay, you can see where you have withdraw. All right, I've not sold my Hamster token, that's why you're still seeing my Hamster token stay here. Okay, see where you have withdraw. You're going to click on withdraw. Okay, so and you're going to search for USDT. All right, so once you search for USDT, it's asking you, do you want to send it via crypto network or via email, phone, or ID, just like Bybit demanded for UID, phone number, and email. So we're going to be going for the second option. Okay, so we don't pay for transfer charges, because if we go with the first option, which is send via crypto network, you'll be paying a transfer charge. Okay, and that's not what we want. It's going to like reduce your funds. Okay, so we're going to go for the second option. We're going to click on send via email, phone, or ID. So tap on that. So as you can see here, I will send you my Binance email for you to use. That's if you want to use my email. You can try to change it here. Let me show you where I clicked, just in case you don't want to use my email, but I will be giving you my email anyways, so you can change it here by tapping on this for you to be able to change it to UID or phone number. You can see there, you can just choose the one you want. Okay, so let's assume you're going to be sent to my email, which is what I'll be sent to you. So you're going to see there. So I don't know how much USDT you want to convert or you want to send to me. Just tap in the amount if this is what you have, or if you have higher than this. If you want everything to be sent to me, you just click on max here. Okay, the process is actually simple. All right, so you click on max here, so everything you have in your wallet, all the USDT you have will be will appear here. Okay, so and then you don't need for it's no need for you to write me a note, it's optional, and then you just click on send, which is what we have below here. Okay, you click on send. All right, it's as easy as that. So when you click on send, I will be receiving this USDT in my own Binance wallet, and then you drop your local bank account number. I'll be converting the funds for you, and I'll also give you my rates as well. So guys, I believe it's explanatory enough. This video has been explanatory enough. You should now know how to send your USDT to my Binance wallet, so I can then convert it to Naira and then send it to you via your local bank account. It's as easy as that. Please, if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will respond to your questions, and as always, please do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share these videos to your friends as well, so they can benefit from this video just like you have. All right, it's really important if you have gained value from this video. So that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.